Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on Gmail using your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. Click on that grid. A menu will appear, and from there, select Chat. This will switch you over to your chat messages. In the chat section, scroll through your conversations to find the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Once you find the right chat, look closely at the messages within it. Now, hover your mouse over the specific message you want to delete. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear on the right side of the message. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete the message. Confirm this action. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message from your Gmail chat on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Gmail and other applications. Thanks for watching.